Hey y'all, it's Iamgiftofgab and let's make some chicken broccoli Alfredo. hmm First, we gonna cut about chicken and season it with these seasonings that you see me using in the video. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. And then now we have the chicken seasoned and we go ahead and put some butter and some garlic in a pan and we cook the broccoli and we season the broccoli. Take the broccoli out and then we start cooking the seasoned chicken. So like that, and then I made my homemade chicken Alfredo sauce like that. Then I add the sauce to the noodles and I mix everything together like that. Got some woolly breadsticks and added some extra cheese to make it cheesy like that. And then I added in my chicken first and I mixed everything together. And then I added in the broccoli. Uh-huh. And then mix that all together like that. So everything can have the sauce over it. And then I go to breadsticks. Like that.